Hello and welcome. My name is Philip and I'm excited to share with you some work being done by myself and my advisor Jamal Jalilian Marian over at CUNY, the City University of New York. So very quickly, let's go over a quick outline. So Di-Hadron angular correlations are a good probe of small x physics and the color glass condensate. The leading order result for Di-Hadron production is well known, but soon we will have experiments that are sensitive to next leading order effects. So with that in mind, we are calculating the next leading order corrections to Di-Hadron production in DIS. So very briefly then, here is the leading order diagram. And here we have the target nucleus modeled as a color glass condensate, a classical background field. And you can see here the photon splits into a quark-antiquark pair, which then interact with that background field via multiple scattering. That's signified by that vertical line there. So this is well understood, and we're going to compute the corrections to this, which includes, first of all, the real corrections. So these include an extra particle here, a gluon in the final state, and one must integrate over that final particle's phase space. So in this case, we'll be integrating over the gluon's phase space. And so we can show you some results here. So here we have just a couple of our results. You can see here, these are terms inside that amplitude squared integrated over the gluon's transverse momentum. And I have a couple of, one of these is a cross term as well between the diagrams. And you can see that we have these calculations done already. We also have virtual corrections. So here we show these diagrams. And there are several of these, and each of these vertical lines here signifies a totally separate diagram in the shockwave approximation. Some of these virtual diagrams can be handled using standard results in renormalized QCD. Others, like this one shown here, will need to be worked out in full. So here you see also a preliminary expression for the amplitude for this diagram. Now, this is an ongoing project, so our final goal is to derive all of these next leading order contributions to the Di-Hadron production cross-section, and then to establish factorization or lack thereof in all of these corrections together. So with that, thank you very much for listening to this very quick talk. I hope it was informative. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much. And of course, we thank the DOE and PSC CUNY for some funding. Thank you.